If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error message that says an error occurred or something went wrong, don't worry. This is usually a browser issue, an extension conflict, a VPN problem, or sometimes even a temporary outage on X itself. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix it step by step on a PC, and by the end, you should be able to load X normally again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started with the easiest test first. Open your browser and try X in an incognito or private window. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift and N. On Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift and P. This step is important because it helps you see whether the problem is coming from your normal browser session. If X loads correctly in private mode, that usually means your saved cookies, cache, or an extension is causing the error. If the site still does not work, the next step is to clear your browser's cookies and cache. This fixes a lot of X login and loading issues because corrupted site data can block the page from opening properly. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. Set the time range to all time. Then make sure cookies and other site data are selected, along with cached images and files. Once those are checked, click Clear Data. After that, close your browser completely and reopen it. Then try X again. Now, if the error is still showing, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Extensions can interfere with X's security checks, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, tracker blockers, and VPN-related extensions. First, turn off any active VPN or proxy you are using. Then go to the puzzle icon or extensions menu in the top right of your browser, open the Manage Extensions page, and temporarily disable anything that might block scripts or tracking. If you use tools like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, or similar privacy extensions, turn those off for a moment and refresh the page. This step matters because X sometimes relies on certain browser scripts to verify your session, and if those scripts are blocked, the site may fail with a generic error message. After disabling the extensions, try logging in again. If it works, you found the cause. Then you can re-enable your extensions one by one later to see which one was responsible. If none of that fixes it, the issue may not be on your side at all. It could be a regional outage, a temporary server issue, or an account limitation. To check this, look up X on a service like DownDetector and see whether other users are reporting problems. You can also search for X outage reports online and check the graph for spikes and complaints. If there's a platform-wide issue, the best solution is usually to wait and try again later. You should also keep in mind that some accounts can run into temporary viewing limits or other restrictions, which may cause X to behave strangely. If you've been refreshing a lot or using the site heavily, give it some time and try again after a short break. So to quickly recap, the best fix for the x.com or Twitter error is to first try an incognito window, then clear cookies and cache, then disable VPNs and extensions, and finally check for outages or account limits. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem fast. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.